6 labourers have been killed and at least a dozen others injured after a building adjoining a construction site collapsed in Chandigarh's Transport Nagar area today. Initial reports suggest digging for the basement of a building was underway when a building on the adjoining plot housing a tavern collapsed and fell on the labourers working there. Joining us for more on that is my colleague Anand Patel, who in fact is at the site of that building collapse. Anand, this really seems to be assuming rather worrying proportions. 6 labourers have already lost their lives. Are there many others still fear trapped?
Well, Neha, the relief thing is that, no more labor is expected to be trapped. The site is just, behind me. You can see the 2 JCBs which are taking out the rubble now. The IG Chandigarh just left the spot and he said that there are no more people trapped inside. Total 20 laborers were working on the site and 6 of them lost their lives, unfortunately. 11 of them who were taken to the hospital have been discharged after giving them the primary first aid. 3 of them are still undergoing treatment. What we are also being told is that in this area of the Transport Nagar, the basement construction is not allowed. So that is a matter of investigation now as to how this owner and the contractor were digging this pit for the construction of the basement. And the tavern, which was right next to the basement, collapsed into the pit. You can see the entire rubble of the tavern just over here. The entire concrete structure fell onto the working laborers, and this is the reason why the casualty is very high. Around 3 JCBs are being pressed into service. 2 of them are still working, trying to take out the rubble. And what we hope is that no more labourer is trapped inside. 6 is a very high number of casualty, and that's the reason why the contractor has been booked in this case. The investigation has already been launched. So far, the officials are saying that no more labourer is trapped inside, but they're not taking any chances. The IG just told us that they also called in the army people with their high-end devices which can detect the presence of human lives inside the rubble. So we're waiting for the expert teams to arrive here. But so far the rescue teams are confident that there are no more labourer trapped inside over here.